Hey everyone, struggling to keep clients engaged after appointments? Let me show you how to automate post-appointment follow-ups in GoHighLevel and boost retention with no extra effort. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Automation tab on the left-hand side. Then click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Next, we need to add a trigger. Select Appointment Status and set it to activate when the appointment is marked as completed. This ensures that your follow-up begins the moment the client's appointment ends. Now, let's add the follow-up action. For this tutorial, we'll use an email. Click Add New Trigger. Then select Email. Personalize the email with a thank you message, and don't forget to include a link to book their next appointment. Once you've got everything set, make sure to save and activate your workflow. From now on, GoHighLevel will automatically handle your follow-up process, helping you retain clients without lifting a finger. Automate your client follow-ups with GoHighLevel. Start your 30-day free trial today and streamline your retention efforts effortlessly. Click the link in the description to schedule your kickoff call and jumpstart your success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation tips.